World Food Day is observed annually on October 16 every year. The day is celebrated with the aim of highlighting the millions of people around the world who cannot afford a healthy diet and need for regular access to nutritious food. On this special day, students of SIMS made the world map with the help of Indian spices. So let's have a look on it. Thank you for watching this video. You may call for admission at 8860-781-847 or visit B104 New Ashok Nagar near Metro Station, Delhi 110096. Stay tuned for more videos.